Hey everybody, this is Zohar Sabuki with Edge Home Finance. This is your market update, and this is my beautiful wife, Michelle.
Hello.
And we're going to talk about processing today.
I gotta go.
Uh-oh, she's got to go. Where's she going, y'all? Well, maybe we'll find out. I'm going to follow her slowly just to be safe, if you know what I mean. No, but we're talking about processing today. And Michelle, for those of you guys that don't know, has her mortgage license. So that means she's able to do origination activities along with our processing, which really helps our process so much. You have no idea. As the originator for our loans, that's huge. And so, but more importantly, for the process and the servicing of our loans, it's going to be very helpful for our borrowers to have a dedicated processor. So I found her.
Hello, here I am.
There she is. What are you doing, babe?
I'm just in here processing loans.
So tell us a little bit about what that does for our clients and our partners, our agents.
So what I'm going to offer Zoe and Zoe's clients, our clients, is quicker turn times, better processing, less touches to and from the underwriter, dealing with appraisals, all that kind of stuff. A typical processor, good processor, ends up taking 20, 30, 40 and upwards amount of loans per month. So trying to stay on track of all those loans and all the different loan officers, it gets pretty complicated. So I'm just doing Zoe's loans and just one loan officer and just you guys' loans with Zoe. Yeah. So it's going to cut down on, like Zoe said, turn times, touches with underwriter, and nothing's going to be missed. So
yeah, it's going to make our service level a lot better and a lot smoother for everybody. So
yeah, I'm excited to be on board.
Yeah, thanks, baby.
Nice to meet you all.
Yep. So as always, give us a call. Happy to help any way we can. Till next time, God bless and take care.